Hi guys, so you're on Monday, April 20th for Earth Science. So today's going to be a little bit different. You'll see this. It says opening. Watch Miss Rodriguez's YouTube video named Test Corrections. So if you're on this YouTube video, you're doing good. So I am going to give you guys some feedback on your test, and you should have it on there. So basically, if you scroll up to activities and you click quizzes, everyone, and if you did not take the test, you've got to take it. It's a big grade, okay? You should have taken summative, okay? So if you click summative, your summative, you should see, I'll tell you, hey, I'm going to write, you got a blank grade. I'm going to tell you which grade you got, okay? After I tell you the grade that you got, then I'm going to tell you which questions you got right, and I'm going to tell you what you put for your answer, okay? So when you're going back through, you're only correcting the answers that you got wrong, all right? And during this, what I want you guys to do is to go back to the Earth Science page, and I want you guys to, my computer's lagging a little bit, to go down and watch the videos, guys. Watch the videos. Look at these. Look, if you scroll all the way down, I'm giving you answers that are on the test. Take pictures with your phones of these, because remember, our test was open notes. That's your notes. Take pictures of them with your phone. You can write these down on a piece of paper if you don't have a cell phone. Write the answers down. You can go all the way down, guys. Look. I'm giving you the answers all the way down. These are all on the test, okay? So I want you guys to make sure that you're reviewing that and then writing that down or taking pictures of it, and then you're able to go back through, okay? So for your mini lesson, you have to read my feedback, okay? I'm going to put the feedback on your test where it says summative. You're going to have the feedback. On the feedback, I'm going to tell you the answers that you got right, and I'm going to give you the answer that you put. Do you hear me? I'm giving you the answer that you put. So you better pull out a piece of paper and say, okay, Miss Rodriguez said I got number 2 right, and the answer was blah, blah, blah. Write it down. So when you're going through, you're only really working on the answers that you got wrong, okay? So do that, and then you're going to retake the questions that you missed, and you're going to resubmit it for a better grade. So let's get started.